So welcome back, darlings, to my channel. So I am coming back on here to talk a little bit about how to dye your hair and how to do it in the comfort of your own home. So I'm actually going to be using Schwarzkopf, and I don't think I said it right. Schwarzkopf? Yeah, Schwarzkopf. It's very foreign to me, so I have no idea how to say the name, but if I did say it wrong, please remind me in the comment sections how to pronounce it. I have no idea, but I'm going to be going in this brand. I saw when I was going to CVS, I was picking up a few makeup items and I was just curious as to how this brand works because I've never really dyed my hair at home. I was like, you know what, I need to get rid of these white hairs. I need to dye it a little more cool tone black. So that is what I did with this. So if you want to know how to dye your hair black, or how to just dye your hair at home, then continue on watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's continue. So for the hair dye, we're gonna have natural dry hair. My hair is out of the shower. It's been dry for like a day or so. If you strain your hair or if you blow dry it, it's okay. If it's dry, that's all that matters. You don't want it to be dripping wet, but I'm going to be going in the shade Midnight Black from I can't say it, Schwarzkopf? Okay, please do not hate on me. But I'm going to be going in this shade. It's going to be a dark black, and it's really just going to blend all my hair. It's going to make it super shiny, luscious, and that is what my hair needs. It needs a whole keratin treatment, which this also has. It says Keratin Color. So I'm actually really excited. It's going to make it look black, voluminous, and very silky and a little straight. And you can go in some petroleum jelly and you can put it on around your skin, like on the borders where it touches your hair. But since I have some makeup on because I've been doing stuff, you will not need it, but it's gonna get all over my face, so bear with us. This is a hair dye tutorial. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to mix everything and put it in my hair, and the voiceovers is going to tell you step by step what I'm doing. Okay, so first we're going to go ahead and put some gloves on. Then we're going to go in that serum, and with the serum we're going to go ahead and lather it in the ends of our hair to protect our hair from the dye. This is a very important step so you don't have any cracked ends or split ends. And then afterwards we're going to go in the developer and the color. We're going to go ahead and shake it, and it should look like that. Grab this, and I already shook it, so I'm going to start with this side. Take the cap off, and I'm just going to go ahead and just massage it in. It's my first time, so I'm a rookie. So now I am just putting it in my hair. Just go ahead and massage it with the glove or with your hands. It's totally fine, but I prefer a glove. And you can go in streaks. You can go layer by layer. I'm simply just putting it on the way that I am doing it in the video. And I'm using a comb to just spread it all out, so it just really makes it all even and distributed. My hair is pretty dry from like the top to the bottom, so you can tell when it's dripping wet in hair dye, and it should kind of look like this. The brush really does help, so it takes me a while to get through the entire bottle because I'm just making sure I get strand by strand, follicle by follicle, and I do have like a couple of white hairs throughout my hair, so use whatever you need, a comb, do whatever you have to do to get all the hair dye throughout your hair. Okay, so now that I have all the hair dye in my hair, I'm now going to let it sit since my hair is dry, but now it's wet with the hair dye. I'm just going to let it absorb because you really want your hair to just get all that hair dye and make it permanent and long lasting, because then you're going to have to wash it off and you want it to stick as much as it can. So I'm going to wait a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to hit the shower and then show you the final results. Okay, so this is a day later and it came out super great. My hair is washed, it's dried, it's styled, and it took away all my white hairs, so I'm super shocked. As a rookie, I wasn't thinking like my hair was going to come out this good. I usually go to the salon and like they'll, style it and do all the hair dye and all that stuff professionally, but doing this as a rookie, I feel so much more better. I feel like a new woman. I feel like I could just go anywhere and feel like I just got the salon professional experience, but in my own home. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe down below if you are new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.